Phoebe.
But why do you always enter without knocking, Smith?
Phoebe. Am I still on that level of knocking?
Why not?
I thought I was even counted as a member of this family.
Even if you're a member of the family, you're supposed to knock before entering.
I'm at a stage of being your boyfriend.
Since when? Since when, Smith?
Phoebe, aren't I your boyfriend? No, you say that I'm not your boyfriend.
You're not.
All the times we have spent together.
You're just my friend, Smith.
Phoebe. Phoebe. Yeah?
Now what brings you here this time, Smith?
Your boss told me to bring you this cash.
My boss told you?
Yes. Told me to give you that cash.
It's hers, eh?
I don't know. She told me just carry it and take it to Phoebe. I don't know, maybe did she tell you to do anything with the money?
No, she hasn't told me anything.
Aren't you scared of the house, being alone in this big house? You're not scared?
Of course I'm scared, but what can I do?
Hey! So what do you do in the house alone?
Nothing. I'm always here, just like the way you found me, watching TV as I wait for my boss.
So you mean I can keep around and, can keep around and give you company?
If you have time, you can.
Me, I thought that you were a tough woman. I thought that, I was asking myself, how can Phoebe stay in the house alone until those hours? So what time does she normally come back?
I didn't know she works at night. Sometimes she comes back at midnight, at 2, at earliest midnight.
Oh, sorry. So you stay in the house all those hours alone?
I stay.
But I'm here. I can always be available.
You can always come, Smith.
Yeah, you can always come. You can come at around 7 and you can be around until midnight, and then I can leave at midnight. I can give you company and keep you safe.
Thank you.
I can keep you safe. So, what time is it now? What time is it?
It's coming to...
It's coming to what?
10. It's coming to 10.
It's coming to 10? So she'll come back at around...
at around midnight or past midnight.
Past midnight. So we can even be sleeping.
I always wait, so...
You always wait? No, you can sleep for a while, and then by the time she comes...
What if she finds you here?
You told me she comes back at 1 or 2.
So you want us
So
to
it is
sleep
10. It is 10.
and
So
wake up at what time?
you can come and wake up at 1 and I will leave. Yes. How do you say?
It's fine.
It's fine. I mean, I cannot be here. And let's go. Man, that boss is not fair. How can she leave you in the house alone? Why?
Let me keep her money first, then.
What?
Did you come with someone?
Wait. I came alone. Who could be knocking?
I don't expect anyone at this time.
You can check.
Boss, you're welcome. Good evening, Aunt.
Good evening, Phoebe. Smith, what
Yes.
are you still doing here?
You phoned me leaving right now. I was just watching TV for a while, but you phoned me standing up and leaving this house.
How can you leave?
I leave now, eh?
You leave.
Okay, let me go.
Phoebe,
Yes, Aunt.
what has Smith been doing here?
He told me he just wanted to watch some match on the television and then he goes.
Are you sure?
He has been watching football.
Okay.